Welcome to edu.global, our library website. Near the top of the search page is our search box. Just below the search box, we've listed some major subjects. Searching on our website is quite different from what you're used to because we've created some very powerful tools to assist you. Let's see an example. I'm going to select medicine from the subjects listed below the search box. So to start, we click on the subject medicine. Immediately we see several million results. On the right side of the page are titles of articles and books. And just below each title, we see the names of the authors. If you click on any title, a new tab will appear in your browser and you can read the article or book at an external website. Once you're done, just close the external tab and you're right back here on the main list again. Our next step in this tutorial is to show you our filters for narrowing down your search to very specific results with just a few mouse clicks. On the left side of the search page, we see 4 filters. The filters are keywords, languages, formats, and year. Let's go to the second filter, languages. Under languages, you can select the language you wish. We have articles or books about medicine written in more than 60 different languages so far. If you click on Show More, you can see the other languages. The next filter, formats, lists the type of resource, such as journal articles, other articles, books or texts, databases, courses, and so on. Currently, we have indexed millions of full-text articles from over 13,000 journals. These journals are all listed on our home page. The next filter, year, means year of publication. Finally, let's focus on the most important filter we've ever developed, keywords. Question: would you like to have a perfect memory, never forgetting a medical term or some obscure or rare word? Keywords almost does that for you. That's because we've taken keywords to a much higher level. Let's see how it works. Under Keywords, just click on Show More at the bottom of that section. The list of keywords is, by default, sorted by frequency. In other words, the keywords with the highest number of associated records are showing at the top of the keyword list. We can scroll down through the keywords like this in one long stream, or we can start to type in any word we want here inside a search box, or we can arrange them alphabetically by clicking here. Also, across the top, there is a horizontal list of alphabet letters. Clicking on any letter in this list, for example the letter A, and you will see all the keywords beginning with that letter. You can sort the keyword list alphabetically by clicking here, or start to type in a name here. Let's type in asthma. Now the moment we click on asthma, instantly we're back on our main search page and the first page of resources for asthma is already here. 4,465 search results, down from millions. Since new materials are being added constantly, the number of resources will keep increasing. Here we still have thousands of resources. You could search through them all one by one methodically, but we can further refine and narrow down the search by drilling down another level. To do this, we go back to Keywords on the left side of the page and click on Show More. Let's go down through the list of items, many different terms, but everything is related to asthma. Let's click on the letter A in the alphabet list across the top, and then let's sort the list alphabetically here. We'll scroll slowly down past these medical abbreviations and terms, and let's look for air pollution. It doesn't matter which spelling you choose, because new and old records will merge as soon as you click. Please note, I am not a medical doctor, nor am I giving medical advice. I'm just a researcher. Keep that in mind as we continue. Let's click on air pollution. Now we're back on the main search page, and this time we have 85 specific journal articles for air pollution. This is a much smaller list to look through and read. These titles are all highly relevant. At this point, a researcher could just stop and search each resource listed. However, for this tutorial, we'll go yet one more step deeper. We go back to Show More under Keywords. Click Show More once again, and let's go to the letter C in the horizontal list, and now let's click on Children. Now we have 8 search results. That's a very long way down from the millions we began with, and that was just a few mouse clicks ago. Now, you could take the time to read these 8 journal articles. It's a very short list. Here's another tip. Let's suppose you discovered your research objective was mostly found in the first article. It would then be logical to investigate other articles written by the same authors to see if that might further your research. At random, we selected the last co-author in this first article, Zanobeti A. So let's search for more articles by this author. Let's click on the author's name. In an instant, we find 80 journal articles. Each of those 80 articles show one of the authors as being Zanobeti A. This is very important because if a researcher finds an author who writes informatively in the precise area of interest one seeks, then that researcher can instantly discover other articles written by that author and dig deeper into the subject of interest. The articles could be from many different journals, scattered globally, and even include books. This is a very powerful search. We've completed the author search, so now I will clear the search. Always remember to clear the search. Now we're back on the search page once again. It's important to notice there are no paid ads here. Our policy is always to be clean, clear, and professional. Let me end this tutorial with an overview. We're a research portal that has indexed links to more than 50 million educational resources spanning the globe in more than 200 languages. From the main list of subjects on our search page, when you click on any subject name, you will be looking at the index to all the resources in that major subject. New resources are constantly being added. Notice that the search box has all written on the tab. It's important to know that literally thousands of subjects, hobbies, topics, and millions of specific words or phrases can be searched right now, right here in the main search box. Experienced researchers can also use Boolean searches on our website. We instantly connect you to more than 50 million carefully selected resources. In the last 10 years, our researchers have carried out millions and millions of searches so that you don't have to. Forget about those long and frustrating searches. The searching has already been done and reorganized in a truly unique way. Let me put it this way. Researchers do not care how many billions of records can be found in a search. What researchers really want to know is how fast can they narrow down that search to find just the specific record or records they want. Our proprietary indexing techniques, along with the power of Show More, help you to drill down and find exactly what you need. Remember, subscribers can download any of those 50 million resources free of charge because we only connect you to open text materials you can use in your research. All we ask is that you abide by our terms and conditions, as well as the terms, conditions, and copyright notices of other external websites found among your research results. If you have questions, or if you want us to add more records that you might know about, email us, or just click on the link Feedback and Suggestions. and let us know. We're happy to index and direct traffic to newly discovered resources. Remember, we do not copy those resources. We just integrate, process, and index website locations into our database so that researchers like yourself will always have more to discover. Thank you for watching this introductory video about our library's website, edu.global.